have to know everything about your partner? Like, every single thing. Do you want to know, like, bawat kibot, kailangan bang alam mo lahat?
Alam mo, for me personally, hindi.
Same.
Oo, for me personally, hindi eh. Parang, I mean, I don't need to know kung sinong girlfriend niya nung 17 years old siya or kung anong pinag-awayan nila nung...
Yeah.
I mean, feeling ko hindi ko kailangan malaman lahat. And ako din, feeling ko hindi naman din niya kailangan malaman lahat about me. Parang, as long as the foundation is there, we're good in the present, I feel like sapat na yun.
Yeah, tama. Kasi ba't ba kailangan pag-usapan yung hindi naman, wala naman sila doon?
Oo,
Like,
tama.
they were part of your life before.
Yes.
So, I think like kasi ngayon, sa mga relationships, di ba, it's like, kailangan alamin mo kung sino yung mga ex, or kailangan alamin mo kung ano yung mga ganyan. And I feel like, parang hindi na kailangan. Although yung akin, yung husband ko, sinabi niya sa akin yun without me asking.
Yes.
Pero kunyari, may instances sa may maririnig ako from friends. Kasi diba minsan friends pa yung magbubunyag na mga something about the guy in the past as hindi mo alam. I really act as if like, I really don't care if may narinig ako na nangyari in the past. But then, I also have friends who are like, I need to know. Kasi what if makasalubong namin? What if ganyan? Okay, so pag makasalubong mo, anong gagawin mo?
Oo nga. Confrontation.
Ano yun? May confrontation. Ano pag-uusapan nyo? Diba? Medyo weird.
Oo, tsaka feeling ko, Danny, parang maybe like who they are now isn't the same person they were 10 years ago, even 5 years ago.
Yeah.
And ako din.
Yeah,
Parang
that's
even
true.
3 years ago, ibang tao ako sa kung sino ako ngayon.
Yes.
So,
Tama.
there's also that.